What's going on, Gary here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're doing your research on the Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge. Maybe you saw someone on TikTok post a video and you got taken to their link and eventually you found out this is what it was, or a friend recommended you. However you found this, you're really smart enough to do your research before you invest and before you actually start going through this process. Well, you're in the right place because I've actually been online full time the last 5 years. I've reviewed hundreds of different affiliate programs and trainings. And as you followed me throughout this entire video, I'm going to share with you the honest truth on what this is. You're going to be able to actually see in the back office, okay, I've actually joined and gone through the 15-day challenge myself. So I'll share with you some key details so you can actually find out what you're getting into and much, much more, okay? So before I dive in, I will share that at any time in this video, though, you do decide to go forward with this, you're going to be able to add a link under this video because honestly, and I'm going to share much more information on why, I actually do recommend this program, okay? Especially if you're someone that's brand new online, maybe you don't have any tech skills, maybe you don't have a lot of time in the day. If you can find about an hour a day to really start focusing on creating wealth and an online business, from home, then I really do recommend this. And now what I want to do is share why, okay? So chances are maybe you came across, like I said, this video. Now, Dave Sharp, this guy right here in the video, he's actually the creator of Legendary Marketer and the 15-day challenge, okay? So Legendary Marketer is the company and 15-day challenge is one of the products they offer, okay? So the 15-day challenge is basically a 15-day video training program where you get one video unlocked per day. And you can see I'm actually on day one, okay? So this is kind of what each day will look like. They have the training video at the top. This one's 51 minutes. And in this video, day one, they talk about the #1 secret to building a high ticket, high profit business online, okay? Now they also have free bonus scripts and templates. They have assignments, okay? So you can actually, complete quizzes. You can do, different things like that. So you can really lock in the information you're learning, okay? Now, the cool thing about Legendary Marketer and the 15-day challenge is you cannot move on to the next day until you actually complete that day's training, okay? So on, some different programs, they leave it all unlocked and people have the tendency to kind of jump from day to day and different trainings and they get confused. This is designed to be incredibly step-by-step where anyone can really follow the different, training and start to get results at the end of the 15 days. It's roughly 2 weeks, and 2-week investment into your life, into your future is really nothing at the end of the day, okay? Now that's the first thing. And again, you can go, day 2. Now I have all these unlocked because like I said, I've actually finished these. You can see each one, they have different assignments and they have different video training, okay? So this one's 45 minutes. And if you just block off time. That's what I recommend to my students is, if you have an hour before, let's say you go to work, or an hour at the end of the night, maybe after you put your kids to bed, or, whatever the case may be, maybe on your lunch break, you just lock that time in, you block out all distractions and you focus on getting this done. You're going to learn every single skill you need. Now back to Dave Sharp, he's actually an 8-figure earner. Okay, you can see right here. Now, I actually have known of Dave Sharp for many, many years, close to a decade. Okay, I was actually involved in another program that he was a creator on. And his track record is phenomenal, okay? He's really a master at breaking complex things down into simple details. So even the hardest case newbie can still see results. And in fact, tons of people from around the world have actually gone through the 15-day challenge and started to see income, okay, coming in based on the information. Now this article, I'm going to link this article below. This is a Forbes article. You can hear much more about Dave Sharp, the creator. But one thing that really sets the 15-day challenge apart that I really like is they actually give you your own business coach. Okay. A lot of these programs, the problem is you get involved with it and you really don't have any guidance. Okay. You're left stranded. You're left in the woods, chasing your tail. You have no idea what to do on a daily basis. You can't get your questions answered. This literally gives you a self-appointed business coach that you can get on the phone with, and they will help you stay on track, get your questions answered, and get the results you truly desire. Now, at any point of this, okay, you can actually go ahead and schedule your one-on-one business plan call with your advisor, okay, and you can actually claim your bonuses when you do that. So all you have to do is click that button to schedule now. Now on day 3, okay, if you haven't already scheduled, you're going to have to schedule your coach call, okay, before you move on. So again, they really design it where you have to succeed, right? Like you can't go on until you master that day's training. You can't go on until you talk to your coach and they actually will help you, okay? So it's really designed to force you to succeed, which I really love. Now, how much is this, right? The 15-day business builder challenge. A lot of people are shocked when they hear this. It's literally just $7, okay? So I mean, I don't even want to make this video that long. I mean, $7. The other day, I went to Starbucks. Okay, I got a small, and it was about $7. Okay, and that coffee, the next hour was completely, virtually out of my system, and that money went down the drain. So the fact that you can invest literally just $7, okay, which you can find just laying around the house even, into this program and learn the skill sets that you need to do any successful online business, okay? It doesn't matter what type of business you want to do, these skill sets that you learn, okay, even day 11, just to show you, okay? High income skill number 3, sales and presenting. So he breaks down, why sales and presenting is so important to learn. And again, it forces you to succeed. It's $7. So what I want to share with you is there's going to be a link directly below. When you actually click that link, you're going to get taken to this order form, okay? Now, all you have to do to join this program, the 15-day challenge, is go ahead, put your first, last name, fill out your information, okay? Put a debit or credit card. Now, you can actually do an upgrade, okay? It's just $17. This is Super Affiliate Secrets. This is a bonus, okay, if you want to add that on. And then you just click, that you're 18 years or older right there. And then you go ahead and process checkout. There's no hidden fees. It's literally just $7. And even if, for whatever reason, you're still not just wanting to invest $7 into you and your family's future, there's a 30-day money back guarantee, okay? So there's literally nothing to worry about. So I highly recommend you get started with this. The last thing I want to share with you, though, is bonuses that I'm going to offer when you actually partner with me today through the link below, okay? So I want to go to this page here. These are actually bonuses because you can actually not only go through the 15-day challenge and learn how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, learn how to recommend people to buy other people's products and earn these big commissions, but you can literally become an affiliate with Legendary Marketer and you can earn up to $1,000 or more commissions when you recommend people to those products, okay? Now, to get started with the affiliate program as well, I've designed this bonus package, okay? So this is a video right here. Now, this walks you through how to literally clone my own business that I'm doing with Legendary Marketer. Now, I've actually already been interviewed with Dave Sharp, the creator of an interview. He interviewed me my first week because in my first week of joining, I was able to generate $1,000 commission. I don't even know where the commission came from. I just followed the simple steps and I was able to do that. So as you follow these steps, okay, you can literally import your copy of the high ticket funnel that I'm using. You can see a word for word script to create a bridge page, which is a video that you can put between your page that you collect emails and then the sales page. You can actually create a bridge page and a video. This is a word for word script. If you don't want to create the video yourself, you can hire someone from Fiverr, and I have a link that goes to gigs on Fiverr. You can pay about $5 to $10 to get someone else to create the video. Copy paste email sequence. So you're going to be able to get proven high converting emails that you can actually just swipe and deploy to start to generate these commissions and more. Okay. So all you have to do once you join through me, this just $7. Okay. Go ahead and send me an email. My email address is going to be below, and then you can go ahead and receive these bonuses. I'll reply within the day and send you all these bonuses right here. Again, it's just $7. I can't say enough about this. I mean, it's absolutely life-changing. I know so many people personally that were struggling for a very long time. They got plugged in. They followed what the 8-figure online earner Dave Sharp taught them, and in a very short period of time, they were able to quit their job in many cases, travel the world in many cases, and just do the things they want to do with the people they love doing it with. So If you have any questions also about this program, maybe you came across this video, you just want a few questions answered, feel free to comment them below if you're watching this on YouTube. Subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest step-by-step reviews. And until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.